Ladies and gentlemen, it's about that time. You guys saw the title, the thumbnail. We got to break down 5 stocks that are about to squeeze. These stocks have very high short interest, and before we even dive into the video, listen up, guys. Listen up loud and clear, right? These stocks are very risky. You can lose all your money. In fact, there's a decent likelihood you lose a lot of money messing with these stocks. This is for mostly entertainment value here, and of course, we could make some money in these if we do trade these, but again, it is very, very risky. So if you do trade these freaking stocks, guys, I'm messing up the words here. If you trade these stocks, do it with a very small portion of your portfolio, right? So with that being said, sit back, relax, take a sip of your coffee. Do not forget to get your 10 free stocks from Moomoo with a $100 deposit, link down below, and your 6 stocks from Webull with any amount deposited, also linked down below. And with that being said, let's dive into the video. And again, remember, these stocks are very risky. Number one, we have MVIS, which currently has 41.5% short interest. And I do believe I covered this one in my last video. I don't do these very often, maybe once or twice a month. I make a high short interest video. Again, it's for entertainment value. You know, it's fun switching it up and looking at some speculative stocks because you guys know that watch my channel all the time. You know, most of my videos are about large cap, boring, not so risky stocks. Sure, we do talk about some risky stocks sometimes, but these are the cream of the crop when it comes to risky, right? So Microvision is a $5 stock, for Pete's sake, guys. 41.5% short interest, and like you guys can see, it has been reversing over the past couple of months, right? You know, ever since, when was that? The middle of May, it was right around $2.50, $3, and now it's currently at almost $5. So it has been reversing, golden cross, above the moving averages, all that good stuff. So by the looks of it, this could be going towards $6, guys. You know, look, last time we had a big squeeze on Microvision, it went from $4.20. This was in the end of March, and it went all the way to about $6, pretty much in one day. It saw about a 40% move, right? And you can see clearly after that it cooled off. It cooled off a lot. It went down to $2.50, and here we are again, starting to make a move towards $6. So I'm going to set my alert for this at $5. Mark is at or above $5 a share, and if we start making a move past $5, you know, we're going to see this ascending triangle, which is what I'm noticing in the short term. We're going to see that play out, and we could be going straight to $6. And let's say if $6 breaks, $5.85, $6, that could be a big point for the stock for potential breakout, maybe a squeeze, kind of like we saw a few months ago when it went 40% in one day. And again, this is not guaranteed, guys. Who knows if this even happens, but I'm just breaking down charts, giving you guys some ideas, and of course, just speaking out loud here and just thinking out loud, right? So the next one is another one that we've talked about before, and it's Revlon, guys. And this is one that I called out, and we nailed it. I think it was a couple of weeks ago. When was it? About a month ago, in the middle of June. That's when it was. I think I made a video right around then. It was about $4 or $5, and then it ran all the way to about $9, $10, and it pretty much doubled up. And now we've cooled off. You can see we went back to about $4. Now we're hovering in the mid-high fives. So I'm going to set my alert at $6, maybe $6 flat. I'll set multiple here, one at $6 and maybe another one at $6.50. We'll do that for now. And currently, get ready for this, guys. Revlon's short interest is a whopping 72%. Unbelievable, guys. Unfreaking believable. So let's see what direction we pick next week in this wedge that we're in. You know, if we do crack $6, $6.50, watch out above. We could be going to the double digits. I'm not saying that for sure. All I'm saying is that's what I'm seeing based on previous resistance points, patterns that are forming right now. So the next one is ticker symbol FFIE. Let me show you guys this. This one's been ripping over the past couple of days. Today, this went up 7.5% when I'm filming this video, guys. I'm filming this on Friday, 7.5%. And we're noticing a lot of this movement started coming in the beginning of this month. And we've had multiple squeezes in just the past 2 weeks. We had on the first of this month, we went from 250 to about 360. The following day, 350 to about 650. Then we slowly, pushed up to where we are now in the mid sevens. So this one's a little overbought, I'll be honest. But if we do find, consolidation, support, whatever you want to call it, at about, let's say, $5.85, $6, right around the highs from January all the way through March. If we find support around there, maybe we could be getting ready for maybe not round 2. There's been a couple of squeezes here. Maybe we're getting ready for round 5 or something like that, right? So watch out for it. It's gaining momentum, breaking out multi-month highs, and the short interest is a little bit under 30% when I'm filming this video. It's looking pretty solid. And let me just say this again, guys. These are very risky, and the goal of this video is not to get you to buy these stocks. I'm not one of these scumbag penny stock pumping channels where I'm like, oh yeah, buy this, buy this, buy this. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm being real, and I'm just showing you guys stocks that we don't usually talk about on this channel and that are very, the momentum's building up in a big way. A lot of these are momentum stocks, right? And I just wanted to break them down for you all. But just know, I'm not telling you what to buy. Please keep that in mind because these are very, very risky. I cannot say it enough. You guys are probably sick of me saying that. But I'm just telling you. So the next one is AppHarvest here, AppHarvest, however you say it, AppHarvest. This one up 5% on the day today. Short interest is at 26.5%. And what we're noticing here is we are now more towards, right, the bottom of this uptrending channel here. We saw pop earlier this week, or actually that was late last week. We ran to about 480. Sold off to about 360. You guys can see pretty decent pullback, but we got buyers to step in today. That's good. Buyers came in. We had a 5% green day. Now it looks like APPH could be setting up for a move towards the top of this channel. Maybe $5+ again. Maybe towards the mid-high fours. That's where this could be going. So I like the way it's setting up. We closed above the moving averages. Solid green day. And again, we have a lot of shorts going against this stock, which could cause a potential short squeeze in the short term. And of course, like I always say, it's not guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed. So the last one is actually the only one that I own out of all these stocks. Funny enough, guys, I have a long history with Virgin Galactic. It's not a big position for me. Very tiny speculative position. I've sold shares off in the past, but this is one that I've actually held for a good maybe 2 years at this point. And I've wrote it down, and clearly now it is down, way down. I mean, this is one that I started buying, or started trading, shall I say, in February before the pandemic, because I remember this clear as day. I was in Disney World, haven't been there in years. I was having a good time, right? And that's when the stock started popping off. I mean, if you look at the chart, you'll see I'm not BSing you guys. Look at this. It started popping off a little bit before that. It was really in January it started popping off. It was at $25. Or no, this is 2021. I'm looking at the wrong time period. Right here, right? Look at this. In 2020, February 2020, right? Virgin Galactic was at 17, shot up all the way to $40, and I was trading it in Disney. I remember this. I was on my phone, mobile trading. You guys know how that goes. If you're into trading, if you really live this stuff, you know what I'm talking about. And then it ended up collapsing, and then we ran back to 60, back down to 16, back up to 60. So I've trimmed a little bit, or a decent amount of this position, but I really haven't, or not looking back, I should have liquidated, but I didn't do it. I held through a 2x, 3x pump because my average cost is at, I'm down now a lot. I think I'm at like 14, 15, 16, roughly right around there. So I was up a ton when this thing was in the 50s, 60s. And like I said, I trimmed a decent amount, but I didn't sell all of my position. And now in hindsight, I probably should have done that. But at the end of the day, I don't give a crap because like I said, it's a speculative position. At the end of the day, it makes no difference. If I sold, held, whatever. At the end of the day, I'm holding this for however long, and I might even sell it. You never know. I might sell it for tax loss harvesting if I decide to do so, but then again, it won't make much of a difference because it's a small position. So anyway, I went on a little side tangent there. This is one that's slowly starting to break out. Went up 5.5%, 6% today. It's slightly above the moving averages. We're getting a golden cross, and I think there was a catalyst recently. I forget exactly what it was. Oh, yeah, this is it. Virgin Galactic Holdings signs lease for spaceship manufacturing facility in Arizona, which is good. It's a new spaceship facility, so that's going to burn millions and millions and millions of dollars. And if you guys don't know anything about Virgin Galactic, they literally burn so much money, and they're not making anything. Practically no money. But, it could be a trade, guys. It could be a trade, and we're going to watch it. I'm watching it here. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but if it does start moving past, let's say, the mid-sevens, that's where we really could start gaining some momentum on this. I'm going to set an alert. Mark is at or above 750. If that breaks, ascending triangle plays out, boom, we are going to be looking pretty good in the short term. So with that being said, guys, hope you all found value in this video. Again, this is entertainment purposes only. This is a fun video. These are all risky. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe, and do not forget to join my Patreon and to get your 10 stocks from Moomoo with a $100 deposit. Each of those could be valued up to $2,500, and you can get 6 stocks from Webull with any amount deposited. All those links are down below, and just know, guys, all those links help out the channel, and I appreciate you all as always. So with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video. Have a great rest of your weekend. Peace out.